One of the options that you can go back into this opening with are vinyl windows. This is a classic example of a vinyl window, and you'll notice that there's a lot of chambers here. They call these dead airspace chambers, but the actual construction technique used here is to create I-beam constructions to add rigidity and give some more strength to the vinyl, because vinyl inherently is very flexible. So we take a window like this and we put it into an opening like this. There are several things that will happen. One is, with a slope seal like we have here in North Carolina, you're going to lose your slope seal, and you're going to create other places where there are going to be chambers for moisture, bugs, things like that to accumulate. Then the next thing is, you can't put this window in and have it fit snugly because of expansion and contraction. So what they'll have to do is offset this window and leave gaps so that it can expand and contract at a different rate from your home. Now, what we do to overcome these shortcomings is we utilize a material called Fibrex. Fibrex is a composite material, and it's made of 40% of a material called thermoplastic polymers, and it's 60% of wood fibers. The wood fibers are actually molded in with the thermoplastic polymer, and they create a material that we called Fibrex. The Fibrex, if you look at the inside of our products, actually will look like a wood in the context that they're brown, and you'll see that it actually has a texture to it. But on the outside of our products, we're using a pure thermoplastic polymer layer, and it allows us to do colors. So here we may have a canvas or a creamy color, whereas on the inside we can do white. And that allows us to do over 22 color combinations so that we can make your home beautiful no matter what colors you may have now. This also allows us to put in a much more rigid and stable product. It's even thinner than the thinnest of the vinyl windows that are available on the market. And the catch is that we can set in angles for slope seals instead of having to use a boxy, bulky frame in either capacity. And it allows us to put something in that's going to be more like your home. We can also use mortise and tenon joints instead of having to utilize glued together so-called fusion weld joints that leave these big ugly scars on the outsides of windows. And it makes the thing much more attractive for your home. And in truth, if you're going to decorate your home, it's every single room you have and every side you have on your house. This is going to be a much more attractive window, and it's going to look like it's always belonged there.